Hello friends, in this session we'll be getting ourselves introduced to this new form, which is a GREIBACH normal form. Very important topic from the concept of our competitive exams point of view. And we'll see the concept first, we'll see its definition, and then we'll try to sort it out with the help of an example. Let's straight away move on to the definition. It says that a context-free grammar, CFG, is in GNF if every production of the grammar is of the form A goes to small a alpha. Small a, as you all know, is a terminal. So A belongs to summation. And alpha belongs to Vn star. Vn star, where Vn basically represents our non-terminals. So it can be any combination of non-terminals, and star over here specifies that it can also be null. So in case it is null, the production would simply become A goes to small a, right? So these are the two alternatives that are possible. Again, the third condition, same as we saw in CNF, that S goes to null, will be only present in grammar G if and only if null belongs to language of grammar. So basic idea is that the right hand side of every production must start with a terminal and only one terminal. This is again a point to note, that we have only a single terminal on the right hand side. It cannot be a combination of more than one terminals. And another thing, non-terminals might or may not follow. So it is again a condition. It has to start with a terminal, and again after a terminal one or more non-terminals could follow, and it may also happen that there is no non-terminal after the presence of a terminal. So let's see this with the help of an example. We have an example over here. We have a certain set of productions. Again, as we did in CNF, we'll just check on every production with the given format given. If it suffices with the format, we won't change it. If it does not, we would convert it into a GNF format. So let's see the first production. See, the first one says there is a terminal present and then there are two non-terminals following it. So it suffices with the format. So I would put a tick mark over here. The next one says again there is a terminal over here and two non-terminals following it. So again it suffices, a tick mark. A goes to small c, a terminal but no non-terminal after that, no problem. It suffices the format as A goes to A alpha, A goes to A alpha, where alpha is null. So A goes to small a. It suffices with the format, so no problem. The fourth one that you can see is A goes to capital A, capital B. So there is no terminal starting this production on the right hand side. Hence this is a problematic one. It does not match the format and we'll have to change it. So I've marked it with a cross. The next one again, no terminal starting the right hand side. Hence it will also need to be changed. So the productions that need to be changed are A goes to capital AB and A goes to capital AD. Now how do we change it? The simple motive is to convert it into a form which starts with a terminal, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute these first three forms into it. Now why not only a single form? Because if I substitute this, it also had the option of this. So there should be no partiality between any of these, or I should say that we need to substitute all the possible combinations in order to get all the possible flavors or all the possible options that could be obtained, right? So I'll substitute all the three things one by one into these productions. So starting with the fourth production, which was A goes to AB, if you substitute all those things, you get this. Capital A was replaced by ABD, so you get ABDB. Capital A replaced with BDB, which is BDBB. Capital A replaced with C, which is CB. And similarly, when you do the same thing for A goes to AD, these are the productions that you'll get. So finally, the complete set of productions you'll obtain by combining these two things and also the original ones. Now why do we need to merge them with the original ones? Because if we see the original ones, they are A goes to this with no B following. So it is an option. We can choose this or this one, right? So we combine these first three with the new obtained forms. That is, if I number them, it will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So basically just 4 and 5 replaced with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Rest remains same. So this is the final converted GNF grammar. It is again a simple format, or I could say just a simple conversion of a context-free grammar. So this is not a new grammar defined, just a different form of the same grammar. So it has to remain equivalent to the previous one. So this is how we perform a conversion of a context-free grammar into a GREIBACH normal form, which is GNF. Hope this session would have proved to be an informative one. In case you like the video, please like it and subscribe for more upcoming informative videos. Thank you.